Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan once again. In this video, we will be solving one JEE preparation problem based on trigonometric equations. So, problem is find the sum of roots in the interval 0 to 314. Equation is cos 4x plus 6 equal to 7 cos 2x. While solving this question, we will learn and understand trigonometric functions, identities, formulas. Because of cosine function you can see, so general solution we will talk about of cosine function. Then we will talk about range also, which solution we will accept and which we will reject. And see, in the question it is asked that sum of roots. Then because of it is cosine function involvement, you will be getting number of roots. So to solve that series, we need arithmetic progression sum formula. So we will talk about sum of AP. So let's get started. As you can see, it is cosine 4x, cosine 2x. So we will use double angle formula. So double angle formula is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. In our case, it is written cos 4 theta, 4x basically, then we will write 2 cos square 2x minus 1. So let us put equation will convert into 2 cos square 2x minus 1 plus 6 equal to 7 cos 2x. Take all the terms to left side. 2 cos square 2x minus 7 cos 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now it is quadratic equation. So I will use quadratic formula. A is 2, B is negative 7, C is 5. So directly I can find out because it is quadratic in cos 2x. So I will write cos 2x is equal to, it is quadratic in cos 2x. No need to substitute. Minus b, so 7 plus minus square root b square, so minus 7 square, I am writing 49 minus 4 AC. 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 5, 40 over 2a, so 2 times 2, 4. This will give us 7 plus minus root 9 over 4. Root 9 is 3 over 4. If I will consider plus sign, then it will be 10 over 4, so 5 over 2. Let me write here. And if I will take minus sign, then it is 4 over 4, so 1. So basically there are two solutions for cosine 2x. So let's talk about the value, the solutions. Let me write here. Cos 2x is equal to 5 over 2. And then we will find out solution for cos 2x is equal to 1. It is plus 1. And see, this is 5 over 2. So as we know, cosine x is a function, trigonometric function, which lies between minus 1 and 1. You can understand from its graph also. See, it is 1. This is minus 1. Domain is minus infinity to infinity. Range is minus 1 to 1. Now you can see this value is 2.5, which is more than 1. So that solution will be rejected. We cannot accept. Now come to cos 2x is equal to 1. Let me write here cos 2x is equal to 1. That means I will write cos of 0. We know that for general solution I am talking, we know that cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to integer. This is our general solution. So in our case, alpha is 0. So let me put 2x is equal to 2n pi plus 0. So x is equal to n pi. This is our solution. Now let's put few values. N belongs to integer. I you can write, or z also you can write. Let me put n equal to 0. So pi 0, n equal to 1 pi, n equal to 2 2 pi, 3 pi, and so on. There are infinite number of solutions because functions range is -1 to 1 and domain is -infinity to infinity. So but one restriction is there. Your domain is now defined. It is starting from 0 up to 314. So 314 is not 100 pi. No, it is not 100 pi, because if you will see the value of pi, then it is 3.141592, and after that it is 65. Non-terminating, it is non-terminating, non-repeating. That is why it is irrational number, and we cannot consider 100 pi. So up to 99 pi it is allowed. So let me find out, see sum of roots. So there are infinite roots, but as per given instruction, as per given interval, it is 0 to 314. So we will take from pi to 99 pi. So let me write, we have to find the sum. So pi plus 2 pi plus 3 pi up to 99 pi. 100 pi you cannot consider, it will exceed 314. Now let's talk about, we have to find the sum of this series. How many terms are there? We will talk about a bit arithmetic progression. We know that arithmetic progression sum formula, if progression elements are a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on. If total number of terms are n, then sum formula is n over 2, twice of first term, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is sum of an AP. As you can see, it is AP because of the common difference d is same. Common difference is d is 2 pi minus pi, that is same 3 pi minus 2 pi equal to pi. Now first term is, let me write all the values and then we will calculate. First term is pi, common difference is pi, total number of terms you can see it is 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 99. Now let's find the sum. Sum equal to n by 2, so 99 over 2, 2a, so 2 pi plus n minus 1, so 98 into d, pi. Okay, n minus 1, that means 99 minus 1, 98. Now it is 99 over 2 into 98 plus 2, 50, 100 pi. Now you will cancel 50. So your answer will be 99 times 50 into pi. If you will multiply, then it will come out 0, 5, 9, 45, 4, 4, 49. So your final and correct answer is sum of roots will be 4950 pi. This one was very interesting problem based on trigonometry as well as sequence series. I hope you like this video. If you like, please give me like impression and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.